Good day. My name is Gerald C. Elnar, and this is my partner, Michaella C. Puentebella. And we are a third-year student of Amando College, taking up Bachelor in Elementary Education. This presentation will help you understand the three laws of motion. In motion, there are three laws, which are the following: law of inertia, law of acceleration, and the law of interaction. By the way, motion is proposed by Sir Isaac Newton. He was a great mathematician, a great physicist, and he was probably the most incisive thinker ever known. Determinate mathematical laws in demonstrating constitute law of motion, of gravity, and other phenomena. Before I start the tutorial, may I introduce to you the definition of motion and force. What is force? Force can also be described by intuitive concepts such as push or pull. Force can cause an object with mass to change its velocity. And now let's go on to the meaning of motion. What is motion? Motion is defined as the actions of changing position or location. Let's go on to the first law, which is the law of inertia. Take a look at this illustration. You will observe that the egg was not moving. If no force interferes on the object, it will remain at rest. That's the reason why the object remains on the top. Observe again this illustration. If we move the rectangle plate on the top of the glass, the tendency of the egg is to move downward and goes inside the glass. The rectangle plate serves as the opposing force or the barriers. Let's go on to the second law of motion, which is the law of interaction. For every action, there is always an equal and opposite reactions, or the force of the two bodies of each other are always equal and are directed in opposite direction. Observe this car. We think that the tire only pushes the road, but there is a reaction in the action. The reaction is the road pushes the tire, and the action is the tire pushes the road. Let's proceed to the last law, which is the law of acceleration. If we exert force on an object greater than the force of the object exert, it undergo motion. But if you exert a force on the object equal to the force that object exert, thus that certain object will remain at rest. No reaction will occur. Let's go on with the conclusion. Okay, the first law is the law of inertia. A body at rest and the body continues to move at the constant speed unless it is acted by an external unbalanced force. Let's go on to the second law, the law of interaction. According to Newton, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. And the last one is the law of acceleration. The greater the weight, the greater the force need to exert. Okay, I prepared an activity to measure your ability. Here's the instruction. What law of motion explains this feature? Okay, that is all about the three laws of motion. Till next time, thank you for watching.